In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove users in Docusign. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but I assure you it's straightforward. We'll take it step by step so you can feel confident navigating through the platform. First things first, let's head over to the Docusign website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Docusign website. You should find yourself on the home page where all the Docusign services are readily available. The next thing you're going to want to do is log in. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and it will prompt you to enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have the option to create one, but we're assuming you're already set up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Docusign interface. Now the key area you need to access is the admin section, since managing users takes place there. Navigate to the admin dashboard. You'll find it typically under the main menu that lists options like sending, templates and reports. In the admin dashboard, one of the primary features you'll see is users, which is what we need for today's task. Click on the users tab and it will take you to a page listing all the users in your Docusign account. Now you're at the heart of user management. Here you can see various details about the users, such as their names, email addresses and roles within your organization. Our objective is to remove a user, so you'll want to find the individual in this list. You can use the search feature if you have a long list of users. It will save you time. Once you've located the user you wish to remove, look for an option nearby their name labelled Actions. Clicking on Actions will present you with a few choices related to user management. The one we're focusing on is Remove. Select Remove and typically you'll receive a prompt to confirm your decision. This step is crucial because once a user is removed, they lose access to the Docusign services under your account. After confirming, the user will be removed swiftly and efficiently, and you can move on with your other administrative tasks. Remember, managing users is a routine aspect of maintaining your Docusign account, and it helps to ensure that only the necessary personnel have access to the tools they need to do their job. And that's it. You've removed a user from Docusign, keeping your account organized and secure. Don't forget to log out when you're done, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on getting the most out of your Docusign experience.